Hi guys, nice to meet you again. So today I will show you some movements of swallow for Shaolin 13 Paws. The swallow is a bird migration. So you migrate from USA to Canada. I think now these birds are on the road. So in this group of movements, we will use the crouch stance, so to imitate the fly of the swallow. So this stance is a little bit hard, so we will bend this leg and straight this leg. If the heel, you can take up, or you can just like this, or you can hold on the floor to stretch here. Okay, no problem. So also this side, you can stretch it higher, no problem. It depends on your capability. So a little bit higher, no problem. Just a stretch. Just a stretch. Or if you often practice yoga, maybe you can down lower, no problem. So for the first movement, everything is permitted, not very strictly. So stretch sometimes, then we will also jump like this. So now I'll show you the movement, swallow movement. So this is the end of the previous group. Previous is what kind of animal? It is a rabbit. So rabbit end like this, all characters ends like this. So now I will turn to left and wave my left paw ahead and put down my right paw. And I will lift my left leg. So look at it again. And turn to left. Left paw ahead and lift left leg. Now I'll jump. At the same time, I'll pull down my left paw and wave my right paw ahead. So take a look. Jump. And now cross down stance. And then from another side, same thing, lift the right and crush down. Again, crush down. And the next, I'll make this movement and then bend the left leg, straight the right leg, and step ahead. The right leg, bend it, and push the paw. And then I'll turn to the left side. I will make a choke like this. Then I will make noise with my right leg. Step ahead and raise two paws. And then I'll continue my three main paws for all the characters. So I move again. And then it's quite short, huh? Okay, let's do it again. Prepare for jump. And after jump, quickly make a crush down stance. Then So watch at me carefully. And lift leg. Jump. Crouch down. And lift. Right leg. Jump. Down. Again. And then raise like this. And push right paw. And then turn to back. Lift left leg. Two times. Okay, I won't make comments. Just move. Move slowly. Okay, I may move this way. And I move slowly like KG. Jump. Crash down. Jump. Crash down. Jump. Crash down. To back. Jump. Okay. Okay, I move again. In this line, maybe you have found that the distance for swallow is not as far as that for the rabbit. Okay, so and movement of previous animal and back tai chi. The left paw ahead, right paw down, and then put down left leg, jump, lift right leg, and right paw. Put right leg ahead, keep the leg straight, and bend down the left leg, make crunch stance. And again, jump, crush down, and again, jump, crush down, turn to back, push, chop, three times. Okay, now I'll move a little bit quickly.